my push pop. I have Drea with me. We're gonna go collect some leaves for a science project. You're coming with me. I'm kidnapping you. I guess I'll put Drea on later because she's hard to see out of. Let's go collect some leaves. So basically this is a giant project for school. Sorry, I don't press the end record button, but so basically I gotta collect at least 5 different types of leaves. Do you think I should do 6 or, yeah, 6? Yeah, I'm just kidding. I'll have to look at the paper to make sure I don't have to do, like up to like above 5 or anything, but here's a bunch of trees. Found a leaf. Give the leaf. Leaf acquired. One day I should bring this inside. I gotta try and climb over the fence. It's perfectly safe. Oh, I left Drea inside, so no face shots. Let's go try to get one of those maple leaves. I think I could reach that. Yeah. I got him. Let's go choose one. This one. Yippee, yippee, yippee. I think I'm gonna try and get one off of this tree. This is some sort of redbud, I think. They turn really pretty red in the fall, which actually coming up to be so. Give me that. Yeah. Go put this inside. Very pretty, very cutesy, very near. Down, 2 more to go. We cannot. The only thing is we can't use coniferous. Hey guys, what's your favorite season? Flowers. I really like summer and winter. Well, it's nice too. I guess you could say I like all of them. Oh, yeah, I gotta use like 5 different leaves, so gotta make sure they're all different. I'm pretty sure I've gotten this type of leaf before, so that's a note. This is probably one of the prettiest trees in the backyard, but I'll have to make a part 2, I guess. That's leaf number 4. Isn't it pretty? Oh yeah, look at these little berries. Like, aren't they really cute? But they're so annoying. Ugh. Dead stick. Yay. Flower. Get one of these. Yeah. Okay. Bye.